I'm with Henson, and this is Michael Boogaloo Shrimp Chambers, and we are here to talk to you today a little bit more about the industry, as well as some information that we want to provide you that we think will help you in today's industry. One of the things that I want to tell you is you should come as you are, don't stay as you are. This is show business, and that's a compound word. You show, which is your creativity, and the business is what you take care of. You should always be able to focus on your business, because when you dance in front of a camera, that means you should be paid. And if you are not being paid, then that means you are offering whatever it is that you do for some form of price. But it may be education for you, you might be an apprentice to someone, something that you're giving in return for something that you should be learning. And that should be how to cultivate business, because this is show business. Michael?
I just want to show the fact that the power of the art of popping and how it can be utilized in theater productions, television, and film, especially to the young choreographers and dancers who want to be choreographers. I'm going to share some knowledge of what has worked for me in a theatrical sense, in hopes that you guys will have the tools to be able to talk to agents and actually persuade them as to what jobs you're seeking out, so that you can actually get the job and land it.
One of the other things that's really important is what we see around the country is people are doing dance steps and it's just movement. They don't really have foundation. So where they think that they have the foundation, they don't, or the information. What I ask is that people research on YouTube. You have more today than we've ever had to be able to look up Bob Fosse, Jerome Robbins, movies like Seven Brothers for Seven Brides, West Side Story, Sweet Cherry. You should know all of these films. And you should definitely know about these choreographers. Michael Peters, Lester Williams, a guy named Darren DeWitt Henson. But really, you should know the choreography, you should know the history, and not only that, but design it. Michael, clearly, you know him from the movie Breakin', Electric Boogaloo. He was also in Bill and Ted's Bogus Adventures, Bogus Journey, the robot for Steve Urkel, Family Matters. You know, he was that robot. So these are things you didn't even know. So it's important to know your history. So hopefully you enjoyed the hotel. We're going to talk to you a little bit more later, but we're going to get to the dance class now. We're going to have fun, and we just want to thank you. Follow us on Twitter, Boogaloo Shrimp, and I'm Mr. D Hen, and we'll talk to you a little bit later. Thanks.